Welcome to DLW Law. My name is Matthew Wright and I'm one of the attorneys. I want to talk to you today about your first meeting with an attorney when you decide to create a will or an estate. First of all, we know it's an uncomfortable conversation. You're dealing with your own mortality. You're talking about the death of a loved one and the death of yourself, and it's always an uncomfortable conversation. But there's a couple things that you can do in advance to make the conversation successful and a little bit more relaxed. First, have a conversation with your family. Have it open and honest. Talk about their desires, their wishes, as well as your desires and your wishes on how your estate will be handled, what items need to be given away or distributed, and how your legacy, wants to be carried on. Then, after you've had that conversation, begin to assemble your documents. Your documents include bank statements, financial statements, insurance information, and any information on real property that you own. If you can bring that information to the meeting with the attorney is going to be able to advise you on which of those assets need to be part of the probate estate and which assets may be able to be given in advance or through another means. You also really need to have a conversation with your family in advance about who wants the responsibilities in the will and within the estate plans. And then bring their address, contact information, their legal names with you to meet with your attorney. And then if there's any other additional key individuals involved in your life, such as a CPA, another attorney, business partners, those individuals with their legal names and their contact information would also be helpful. After you meet with the attorney and the documents are drafted, you want to have a conversation with your business partners and your families about the requirements that the documents place on their actions and on the actions after you die. And so, if you have a conversation with your family and friends before and after, you'll be more prepared and more successful in your estate plan. So, just as a review, make sure you have addresses and information of your children and key individuals involved in your family. Make sure you have your financial statements and any information on real property you own. And then have in your mind how you want your legacy to be remembered. If you bring all that with you to your first meeting with an attorney, it will be a more relaxed, more successful, and more beneficial conversation. My name is Matthew Wright with DLW Law, your hometown law firm.